In Great Bonny Kingdom, the local government chairman, other respected elders of PDP here, ladies and gentlemen, pressmen, electronic media, ladies and gentlemen, our campaign here has been made very easy. When we entered Bonny, we were thinking about when we came into Bonny, we were thinking our campaign would be very difficult. But from what we are seeing here, the job has been made very easy.
That's so.
What has made our campaign easy? In 2015, we were fighting the likes of Honorable Tolofare. In 2019, we fought with the likes of Tolofare and his group. But 2023, they are on our side. Is the job not easy?
It's easy.
So, what is the reason for him to take the decision to support PDP? Very simple. Because of our performance. Because we talk and we do. Because we have never been part of any group that want to patronize the kingdom of Bonny. Therefore, you have security. I hope you know what I'm saying. If there is anything that would have destroyed Bonny, it's patronizing your kingdom, which we did not. We protected your traditional institution. So it shows that we are people who understand, recognize, appreciate institutions. So our campaign here today is very simple. We are going to make our promises. We will ensure that we sustain the peace that is in Bonny. Everything that we need to do to make sure that we continue to enjoy this peace, so that the companies that you have here, the IOCs that are operating here, will continue to operate. Because Bonny is important, not just to the Bonny people alone, it's important to the state, it's also important to the. We have another thing to also add to the security. We know you have issues of bad roads, flooding because of connectivities of roads. We will assure you that we will give you roads to solve your flood problem. You know what I mean when I say road? I mean Bonny internal road. Because you are suffering from serious flooding each time it rains. Isn't that so? So, is that one not enough for you to vote for us? To show that we know your problem. We are not here to tell you support us because we want to bring one company from China when you have not even established or improved the one that your name is. We are talking about real life nation, solving problems that is already on your feet. So that is what PDP stands for. That is what consolidation stands for. That is what continuity stands for. I've given you the first, which I said we are going to make sure that we maintain and respect your traditional institution. I've given you the second, that we're going to give you internal road to solve your flooding issue. We'll give you the third one. And what is that third one? We know that it's a coastal place. We have shoreline issues. We will ensure that your shore protections are done very, very well with reputable companies. But we need something from you. That thing we need from you is your support, your resolute to continue to give PDP that vote. Not just the vote for the governor, which I know your king has already blessed me, so I'm already there. Is it not? Yes, sir. But the vote for our senatorial seat, the vote for our House of Reps seat, the vote for our assembly seat. It is not an election of is our brother. Listen to me. It's not an election of is our brother. I've also not come to campaign that it is my turn. It is a campaign that is based on performance. PDP has performed in this state, and PDP is asking you for your support to continue with performance. Are you getting it? Yes, sir. We are not saying we want to perform. We are saying that we will be performing, we want to continue to perform. What else do you want? Is it not a performing government? Is it not a government that will provide services for you? Is it not a government that will secure your life and property? Is it not a government that will understand and feel your problem, your boss? Is it not? That is what this thing stands for. So a vote for us is a vote for a better, great Bonny Kingdom. A vote for us is a vote for your own security. I mean, you know what I mean when I say security? No matter what you have, if you are not secured, you are hopeless. So we are going to give you those vital things. But to crown it all, I'm in my own ancestral kingdom, is it not? We are in our own place. Me is my place. We are here before Bonny couldn't carry us again. We then moved to Popo. That is the history. How do you know? If you doubt the history, now go and check. That is the history. I don't know the one you have, but that is the one I have. And you know that my family here is the green. How do you know that? My family here, my family in Bonny here is the green. So I'm not saying that I'm just a Bonny man. I am from Bonny in blood, in spirit, and everything. So you need to come out and show support. Continue to support our party, knowing fully well that we will not disappoint you. We will give you everything that you need to better your life as a party and as a candidate. God bless you all. PDP!